Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Pokémon trading cards, specifically focusing on the Pokémon TCG Mega Evolution Pitch Black Booster Bundle. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product really is. The Pokémon TCG Mega Evolution Pitch Black Booster Bundle contains 6 booster packs from the latest expansion of the Pokémon trading card game. This bundle is part of the Chaos Rising series and is designed to enhance your collection or gameplay experience. Each booster pack is filled with a variety of cards, including common, uncommon, rare, and possibly even ultra-rare cards, which can significantly boost your deck's potential. So, what are some of the most important features of this bundle? First and foremost, the 6 booster packs included provide a fantastic opportunity to explore the new mechanics and cards introduced in the Pitch Black expansion. This expansion brings forth new strategies in Pokémon, especially focusing on Mega Evolutions, which are always a hit among fans. If you're looking to strengthen your deck or simply want to experience the thrill of opening booster packs, this bundle is a fantastic choice. Now, let's discuss who this product is suitable for. Whether you're a seasoned Pokémon TCG player or a newcomer eager to dive into the game, the Mega Evolution Pitch Black Booster Bundle caters to a wide audience. For collectors, it's an excellent way to add to your collection with fresh cards that feature stunning artwork and exciting gameplay mechanics. For players, this bundle offers the chance to discover new strategies and combinations that can elevate your competitive edge in matches. Speaking of practical use cases, there are numerous scenarios where this bundle shines. If you're planning a Pokémon TCG game night with friends, this booster bundle is a perfect addition to your gathering. Each player can open a pack and share their finds, leading to a fun and interactive experience. Additionally, if you're looking to gift something special to a Pokémon enthusiast in your life, this booster bundle makes for an excellent present. It's thoughtful, engaging, and provides hours of entertainment as they build and refine their decks. Moreover, if you're a parent looking to introduce your child to the world of Pokémon, this bundle is an easy entry point. The excitement of opening booster packs and discovering new cards can spark interest in the game and encourage strategic thinking and engagement with friends. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your child over a shared love for Pokémon. In conclusion, the Pokémon TCG Mega Evolution Pitch Black Booster Bundle is a fantastic product for anyone interested in expanding their Pokémon card collection or enhancing their gameplay experience. With 6 booster packs full of potential and an exciting array of new cards, it's a perfect gift for collectors and players alike. Whether you're playing competitively or just for fun, this bundle has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.